Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you had a nice day yesterday and your evening went well. Today is Thursday, April 16th, and we are going to get started into my announcements right away. I am enjoying all of the shares that you guys have been discussing in our morning check-in. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate knowing that you are checking in and seeing my morning announcements. So very nice. Make sure and check your math course for daily assignments today. Again, I want to reiterate that it's very important that you go to your actual math class. I know there are also some of us that are also doing targeted math at this time. Make sure and check both of those. Reading core today, we have 30 minutes of reading, personal choice book. I also took a minute this evening or last night to go through and respond to some of our real-time journals, so you can go back and take a look at some of those responses. I would also like to just remind everybody that the more that you put into your journal and the more time that I see that you are writing, the more time that I will use when responding to those. Woods Runner Chapter 4 is what we will be reading today, and there's a discussion post that also goes along with that. And then our Wonder Bubble, who is Samuel Adams. I will also be discussing this in our WebEx today at 1 o'clock. I know that I have already spoken about this once, but it seems that there are still some questions that are coming up, and I just want to get those answered so that we can, successfully complete this this project. Social studies today, we are going to be learning about the Proclamation of 1763, which was in response to the French and Indian War. So you will do some TCI reading. There's also a discussion post and a short video that goes along with that. In science, there is no new work. I would like you to go back and make sure that you have answered all the questions about the kayaker in part 2, because there are a number of people that either went in and didn't press submit, or you just didn't get to science yesterday. As I had mentioned before, we do have a WebEx meeting at 1 o'clock today, and we will be talking about the Wonder Bubbles that we will be completing in reading class, and I will be answering any questions about those that come up. Office hours today, again, 10 to 11 o'clock. I'm there. If you need anything, I am in my office hours from 10 to 11. So all you have to do is drop in. If it's an easy question, if it's not, I'm there. I'm there for an hour. So if you need me to explain something, if you need help understanding anything that we've done up through this point, this would be a time that you can just drop in and we can have a conversation. So no, 10 to 11 every day, Mr. Sowards is in his office on WebEx. Today, individual student check-ins. We've got Mia, Maddie, Jake, Mustafa, Yakin, and Martin. Please make sure and come to these, because these are important for me to check in with you and for you to ask any questions that have come up. These are also good times for parents to chime in if your parents have a question or concern. So just try and be there. I know things come up and sometimes we can't make those times, but I would appreciate some sort of email just letting me know that you're not going to be there, so that I can either get somebody else in there that's available, not sit there and wait for you. Anyhow, I don't have anything else for you for our announcements. Again, check in with me. I will be checking in with you throughout the day. And I hope to see you at 1 o'clock. Have a nice afternoon, morning. Bye.